So, students of class 8, the same lesson, Mr. Bean's interview, we learned something about Mr. Bean or Rowan Atkinson's life. So, here, Mr. Bean's holiday, something we will learn from here. Let us read what is there. Uh, Following the success of Mr. Bean, the TV series, a film, Bean, was made in 1997, with the main character being played by Rowan Atkinson. Mr. Bean's Holiday, the second film based on the TV series, with Atkinson again playing the protagonist, the hero, was released in 2007. Following this film, Atkinson reportedly said that he would probably never do another Bean film again. So, after doing two Bean films, one in that a TV series, then a film, uh, Bean, the name was Bean, first film that was released in 1997. And this film was uh, actually the main role in this film was played by that Rowan Atkinson. And he again, Mr. Bean's Holiday, that another film, the second film based on the TV series, with Atkinson again playing the protagonist, the hero, that was released in 2007. So two films, one Bean, the other is Mr. Bean's Holiday. Both were uh, actually played by Rowan Atkinson as the protagonist. So after doing these two films, he was reportedly Atkinson reportedly said that he would probably never do another Bean film again. So he told that he would never do another Bean film again. So this is important. So this much in this slide. There is another slide. Let us move on to that to see what is there. So here the questions asked to Rowan Atkinson and his answer. When did you discover you could use your face as a comedic vehicle? So this question was asked. Then this answer, you will pay attention to what it says. When I was at Oxford University, I was doing research in engineering science, and some friends of mine were doing it. So we were putting on a what it is comedy review for a Sunday night, and they asked me, "Would you like to do a sketch on this?" I'm not much of a writer, so I just stood in front of the mirror and just started to pull faces. Since then, anything and everything I have done has been instinctive. I have just hoped that the face I think I am pulling is the face that I am actually pulling. Now you can see he was reading at the Oxford University at the time when they were putting on a comedy review for a Sunday night, and his partners asked him if he would do a sketch on that show. Then he stood in front of the mirror and just started to pull faces. And since then, anything and everything he has done has just been instinctive. It comes automatically. I have just hoped that the face I think I am pulling is the face that I am actually pulling. So this feeling he had after doing it. So this much we have learned in this presentation. We'll come up with new things in the next. Till that time, bye students. Thank you.